Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's been a while since I do this type of video, and today's video is by ZALIA again. I'm gonna show you guys the RAYA haul. I am so excited that I actually used some of them, but nevertheless I'm gonna show you guys what I got. The first item that I was so excited, if you guys know, socks is super viraling, like red socks. I even had an outfit with my red socks, I mean pantyhose, and I'm obsessed with the whole outfit with pantyhose. So I got this from H&M. It comes in 2-pack, and I got the basic black because I don't have a black pantyhose. So this is my redeem. Look at how stretchy that is, and oh my god, I'm obsessed. It goes all the way down, but it doesn't feel suffocating, which I love the most. And I can't wait to style more outfit with these socks. Next up is also from H&M, and I saw this vest top, and it was so adorable. You can never go wrong with a black top. Every time you just feel like your skin isn't feeling it, just wear on a black outfit because it's gonna make your skin look so much better. I don't know if this makes sense, but it does for me. Didn't I tell you guys a black top is a staple? And just look at how perfect fitting it is on my body. I love how it looks like as well. It is not too short, it is not too long. It's like the perfect crop, and it fits so good. I can even actually put on some weight and it will still fit me, so it's gonna last me forever. Hop on to the second package, and I love this because I am super excited for this because this is specifically from Trendyol, from ZALIA, and I love their collections. I can't remember what I got from the second package, so this is gonna be my first time reaction. So yeah. I remember this! This is the top that went viral on Zara, if I'm not mistaken, and they have it in Trendyol. And look at that, it's like a very cute piece, like a top, off-shoulder top. And I got my hands on them. Guys, don't mind the mess there, I was just trying on the clothes. And look at this! I'm obsessed. That is how much I'm excited for this top. And the best part is you can either just, you know, wear it as simple as that, or if you guys want to have it open, you guys can have that open there. If you want to have it open all the way to the top and have it open bigger, you guys can have that too. And I'm obsessed with how this fits. Like usually an extra small top will actually look loose on me, but this fits like a glove. White, I'm not sure what is this. It's a dress this time. Love this. Love this. The fact about me, I recycle almost all the recyclable items because my mom has a recycle company, and if I don't follow my mom's footsteps, why am I her daughter? I remember these! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so adorable, and this is perfect for the holiday that I am going for. It has a corseting at the front here, if you guys can see that, and it has this tie up, and it has a zip at the back. Oh my god, it kind of looks similar to the dress that I have on, but let me put this on for you guys. I mean, how adorable is this top? I'm in love. Like, this is giving me very holiday vibes, and it fits me like glove. Okay, so this is another dress from Trendyol. I'm in love on how it fits me, like, and it really is comfortable. It doesn't feel like suffocating as well, and it's super flowy. Last but not least is my favorite, my baju raya. This is from ZALIA, and I'm obsessed with it because This is my first baju kebaya, and I chose the color maroon. How adorable is that? I'm in love with this because why not? Look at the color. It is so beautiful, and it comes with lace and it sparkles. Just look at that. It has some beadings as well going on along the dress. And for the pareo is a satin pareo skirt. This is so cute. I am not sure how to tie a pareo skirt, but I tried my best. I'm obsessed. I wish I had a better innerwear, maybe like a full bento or something. But I found this the best, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. Red always look good on my tan skin, and it never fails. So ZALIA really is gonna be my Raya outfit. And what do you guys think? I love it. I'm in love with how this looks on my body, and I mean, what's in love? I'm obsessed with this. And it's really comfortable on my skin. Alright guys, that is all for you guys in today's video. I am so excited to be wearing my baju Melayu on Raya, and I hope you guys do too. And ZALIA has this fast shipping where you guys can get express shipping like the next day delivery. So if you guys haven't done your Raya shopping, hop on ZALIA now, and you still have time to receive your goods before Raya. Thank you so much ZALIA for sponsoring this video. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!